Lake Erie Perch.
Skyline Chili.
We're making buckeyes.
We're off to our second food tour. We already did a Pennsylvania food tour, and now we're in Ohio trying 3 more foods that all Ohioans love.
If you're from Northern Ohio like myself, you will know this food that we're about to get very well. You've likely had it at least once, if not many other times. And if you're not from Northern Ohio and you happen to be in the area, you need to get yourself one of these.
Well, windy out. I might stay in a nice warm car.
Wouldn't be a day on the lake if it wasn't mega windy, and we have got some wind for you today. We are at a place called Jolly Rogers in Port Clinton, Ohio, and we are going to be getting the famous Lake Erie Perch. Well, I'm going to be getting the perch. Josh is most likely going to be getting Lake Erie walleye, and we're going to get them in sandwich form. I can't wait, but here's the lake. My best friend Hannah is coming to meet us at this restaurant, have lunch with us. She's bringing her van because her and her husband are van lifers. They live in Colorado, but they also have a van that they're renovating. They also have a YouTube channel, and they're called Josiah and Hannah. So, a little plug there, but we're just waiting for her now, and then we're gonna head on in.
Our friend Hannah's here.
I cannot believe you drove this here! Yo, for Colorado! Yeah! Hello! We've made it to Jolly Rogers. We ordered our food, and my best friend is here. This is Hannah. Hello. Sad that her husband Josiah could not be here. He's working right now, but we get to see Hannah. Okay, so I got the perch sandwich. It is fried fish, and it comes with fries, and I already tried these because I was really hungry, but they're super crispy. I don't know if you can hear this. Did you hear that?
Oh, you're just going for it on the bun.
Heck yeah, dude. I haven't had Lake Erie Perch in a long, long time. I don't know how to eat it, though. Oh, hot.
That's how it normally goes, maybe.
Okay, no, this is actually really good. It's really crispy, and I hate when it gets soggy, but this still has that like fresh crisp of it. And then it comes with some coleslaw.
Let's try the walleye. Pretty good. Still fishy, but not like overly fishy. Nicely crispy, while still being juicy on the inside. Solid sandwich.
Perch and chips, little fish and chips.
A little dunk.
Little dunkodooya.
Sink it. Okay, that's really good.
But actually it's really good. But you're right though, like the crispy isn't soggy.
Yeah.
Well done.
Bye!
Alright, we're leaving Jolly Roger, and I want to say as I ate more of my sandwich, the middle of the sandwich was better because I put the sauce on it and that mixed together with the fish and the bun, and that went together better. Also, I tried Erica's perch. I think that was better. I think part of the reason was it was like a little thinner and like multiple slices on her sandwich, so it was like crispier and less fishy. But both are good. The fries were good. I like the coleslaw. It was a good place.
Well, that was really good, but I think I'm ready for dessert. Where's the chocolate? Just look a little bit harder. We're making buckeyes. But this time, instead of with Josh, I have my sister! This is Emily! YouTubers. Another really popular thing to get when you're in Ohio is buckeyes, and that's what we're going to be making. Luckily, it is the Christmas season, and if you know Ohioans, and if you've gone to an Ohioan party, like a wedding, or a graduation party, a Christmas party, you're going to find a buckeye. So Emily and I are going to make some, aren't we? Okay, soften these. Melt to soften.
There it goes. I'm just here to open stuff. One-handed. Can't get it. How's that smell?
As long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do. Follow you anywhere. If our chances are getting brighter. But I want you to know.
So now we're gonna slowly incorporate 8 cups of powdered sugar into our fluffy peanut butter. And then it has to chill for 30 minutes.
Everyone is worth fighting for, you know.
Hey tubers, this is the behind the scenes footage.
Wait, put your hand back up. Look at your shirt.
I'm feeling it too. This short is something. I know that this will take us higher.
That is not accurate. There is no way that there's no way that is correct. That's too much.
But I want you to know I can't help but fight this.
Also for the record, tubers, this is how much chocolate we were supposed to use. But Miss Teeny Bopper over here said we're only gonna try to use this much. Ready? You ready, tubers? You hear that? You don't want to scorch the chocolate. Get the dough. Is it recording? Okay, guys, we're gonna go get the dough now. And then this recipe, I think we mentioned that we doubled it. We are gonna be making 72 buckeyes. Okay. So come along, come on. It's so soft though.
That's not gonna work, guys. That's gonna be a whole thing of that. That is not a buckeye, that's a belly button.
We'll just go with it.
What you want, bring it in. Another level and you feel like quitting. Give it the test and we will surely be paid.
Ow! No! No!
Yeah, then
no!
what happens?
No!
Perfect.
What am I supposed to do?
That one was awful.
I know. I'm aware.
I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do.
They look pretty good from the right angle. Look at that. That's a good angle right there. You do one of those.
Hey tubers. So, is it Ani?
Yeah.
This is what you call a life hack. At this point in the video, you probably have come to the conclusion, as well as we have, our buckeyes are terrible. You would have thought this is the first time we've ever been in a kitchen. Just for a closer look, they are unique. This is not Christmas party worthy, in our humble opinion. With that being said, we have decided to turn them into buckeye bars. Same concept. Take the dough, put the chocolate on top. Don't look at it right now. Don't look. Christmas is about spending time with people you love. And it's not worth doing that over making buckeyes. Over making buckeyes. Spending time with people you love over making buckeyes. This is what Ohio is all about.
Yeah.
Hi.
These are the best 3 out of the bunch. Don't look at the other ones.
They look great.
It's not like we've never eaten a buckeye before, so we're just gonna eat one, tell you what it tastes like, and move on to the next thing. Ready?
Mm-hmm. That's the thing. It doesn't matter how it looks. Tastes good.
I mean, it's peanut butter, chocolate, and sugar. Can you go wrong with that?
It has been about 3 weeks since our last part of the Ohio food tour, And our last place is Skyline Chili. I would say we've been procrastinating it because Skyline has reviews of either people really love it or really hate it. We're both pretty nervous, so we've been pushing it off. Also, Erica hasn't been able to taste for a little bit. It's because she's had COVID. And so now her taste is slightly coming back, enough that we can go and enough that we can try it. Skyline is known for its chili, but it's a unique chili where I believe it's like they put like cinnamon or something in it, where it's like weird to most people, but people from Cincinnati love it. The other unique thing that Skyline does is they put their chili on spaghetti, which is what they're known for as well. So we're gonna get that and their other popular item, the coney dog, which is like a chili cheese dog basically.
I just have to say my expectations are level set. I'm not going in with low expectations or high expectations.
Water's pretty good. Typical, but has good ice cubes in it. A little chunks. Classic water.
Here's the hot dog, coney dog, whatever you want to call it. And honestly, I'm kind of excited about this. I'm not gonna lie, I really like hot dogs. And we got chili, we got the cheese, we got the onions, we got the mustard, we got the hot dog. The bun is very soft, kind of soggy, but I'm going for it.
Get the cinnamon flavor.
Yeah.
Unique.
There's definitely a sweetness to the chili, which is so interesting. Like, I grew up with just like savory, spicy chili, and so that flavor of like almost cinnamon, maybe like nutmeg is in there. I don't really know. I'll have to look it up later.
Hi, future me here to tell you that the unique flavor comes from spices such as cinnamon, chocolate or cocoa, allspice, and Worcestershire, which in fact is quite unique. Never have I ever put any of that in my chili. There's your interesting fact of the day. Continue.
It's very interesting, but I will say it's not bad. It's just unique, you know? And I think like having the cheese and the onion and the mustard on it really helps a lot too. Honestly, it's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I feel like I got a decent amount of cheese flavor on that. You can definitely taste like the cinnamon, but it's not as strong as I originally thought it was going to be. Honestly, the combo is pretty good. It's more of a cinnamon aftertaste, but the initial onset is pretty good.
Like, is it better than what you expected?
Oh, it's so much better than I expected because I had very low expectations.
I just tried the noodle situation, and I have to say, like, I'm going in for seconds and thirds. It's really not bad, which is so interesting to me. Like, I never thought that this would be okay. I mean, it's not anything that, like, I'm gonna rave about, but I will say, like, it's not bad. I don't mind it.
I would come back here. It's definitely better than I thought. I like the hot dog with the mustard and the onion. Without it, I don't think it would be as good, but with, like, the whole combination, it's good. We might end up ordering more.
I never thought we would order more. I'm kind of in shock. We just ordered 2 more hot dogs. I never thought this day would come. Dare I say they were good. All my Cincinnati peeps will love me for this. I think I just ate an entire block of cheese.
I understand it now. I get it. I liked the combination, but the more I thought about it, I think that combination would have been better with a better chili. I think Skyline's chili wasn't the best part about Skyline. I get why people eat there and why people like it, but for the name being Skyline Chili, the chili wasn't my favorite part.
Skyline cheese.
Skyline cheese.
I feel like I ate an entire bag of grocery store cheese just now.
Ooh, yummy. Eat it. Yeah.